In chastity, a woman's ruin, miserliness is sure to a giver. Evil ways, a ruin here and hereafter. For a man, misconduct is the blemish. For charitable person, miserliness is the stain. Evil actions are a blemish both here and in the hereafter. In a man, conduct culpable with givers, avariciousness, all blemishes, these evil things in this world or the next. Dhammapad 242. Molethya dusyaritang moscherong dodoto molong molabe papoka dhamma asming loke param hiso. Dhammapad 242.